Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two action camera in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly we start design. Dimensions 50.8 into 71.8 into 33.6 mm. Weight 154 gram. Waterproof deep rating 33 feet. Dustproof and water resistant, yes. IP rating IPX8. External memory slot, yes. Dedicated bike mount, yes. Maximum operating temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Flash memory type micro SD. Part 2 Optics. Camera 27 megapixel and 27.6 megapixel. Image sensor CMOS. Still image support RAW 27 megapixel and JPEG RAW 27.13 megapixel. Image stabilization digital. Zoom digital 2x. Video resolution 5.3K. Maximum aperture f2.5. Angle of view 156 degree 8:7. Adjustable field of view, yes. Built-in HDR mode, yes. Manual iOS, yes. Manual white balance, yes. Slow motion video recording, yes. Dedication short RAW, yes. AF tracking, yes. Part 3 Display. Display type LCD. Display size 2.27 inch and 2.3 inch. Display resolution 1920 into 1080. Secondary display 1.4 inch LCD. Touch screen, yes. Part 4 Features. Compatible with OIS, Android and iOS. Bluetooth 5.3. Support for live stream, yes. Support Wi-Fi, yes. GPS, yes. Voice commands, yes. Part 4 Battery. Battery power 1720 mAh and 1900 mAh. Battery life 2.5 hours. Rechargeable battery, yes. Battery level indicator, yes. USB Type-C, yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.